Hi, I'm Tori Ritchie, cookbook author and cooking teacher, and the recipe I'm going to make today is an oven pancake with sautéed fruit and berries from our Sautéed Today recipe collection. And this is a great choice for breakfast because you can make pancakes for 6 in one pan rather than having to do them one after the other. It also shows the versatility of canola oil to go from sautéing to baking. So we're going to start with a skillet here over about medium-high heat, and then I'm going to add my canola oil, and this is both for sautéing the fruit and for coating the pan. So I need to drizzle it down around the sides. We're going to do about 3 tablespoons or so, enough to coat the pan well so the pancake doesn't stick to it when it's in the oven, and also so that there's plenty of oil to sauté the fruit. So for the fruit, you can use cut up peaches, nectarines, you can use apples, you can use pears, you can even use mangoes. And what you want to do is sauté the fruit just to sort of warm it through. So once you hear that good sizzle, you know things are starting to sauté in your pan. And then I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar to the pan just to sweeten the fruit and to almost give it a caramel sauce at the base. The origin of this recipe is kind of fun. There are variations on it made all throughout Europe, mainly in Austria and Germany, even in northern Italy I've had a similar thing. You see here that the brown sugar has melted, which starts to create its own little caramel sauce, but we still have plenty of the canola oil coating the sides of the pan. That's really important. So what we want to do is spread out our fruit, and we're going to let that cook for a minute or two while we make the batter. So the batter for this pancake is very simple. It's milk, a little bit of flour, a little bit of baking powder, and then a little more sugar here, just a tablespoon of brown sugar, and then almond extract for flavor. You could, of course, use vanilla if you prefer that, and 3 eggs go right in there. All right, so we pop the top on the blender, and we mix it for about 10 seconds. Okay, so it's done. The batter's ready to go, and here's the important part. You pour it right into the pan, turn the heat off under the pan. Pour the batter directly on the fruit, and then we're going to scatter some berries over the top. I'm using raspberries today. You could use blackberries, boysenberries, even cut up strawberries. You can use pitted cherries. The important thing is that you put these on afterwards because you don't want to actually sauté the berries. They'll get too soft. And again, kind of distribute them around the way that you want it to look, because that's how the pancake's going to look when it comes out of the oven. So now I'm going to put this in a preheated 400-degree oven, and it's going to bake until it's puffed and golden. That's going to take about 20 to 25 minutes. Slide that right in. Don't touch it. Don't open the door. Just wait until it's all puffed and golden. And you can get this recipe and the other recipes from the Sautéed Today recipe collection at canolainfo.org. Alrighty, so this is ready to serve, and to serve I like to cut it into wedges and top each wedge with a little bit of confectioner's sugar, or you can use maple syrup, or you can use any other syrup you like. Even honey is good. So just have your plate ready here, put your slice of cake right on there, lightly dust it with icing sugar, and then just garnish with a few more berries if you want, and there you go. Oven pancake with sautéed fruit and berries for breakfast. You're going to love it.